welcome to the 12 days of stickers unboxings. I'm starting off with the 12 photo sticker kits. The watercolor version unboxing is going to be in a separate video, so don't forget to subscribe to see when that is uploaded. If it's already uploaded, I will link that down below, by the way. And I'm showing off the 6-page deluxe kits in the videos, but there are different size kits if you wish to have like a smaller version of these kits. And if you still want to grab all 12 kits, by the way, they will be available through early January as a bundle. And yeah, anyway, I'm going to get started with day 12. Alright, so we're starting off with number 12. This one is the Deluxe Kit Cabin Weekend. All of these are actually deluxe kits. I figured I'd just show you guys all of them as deluxe kits, but this one is Cabin Weekend. Like I said, this is number 12, and I'm just going to go through this very quickly. There are slight changes between all of these kits, so you might see them in between all of them, but yeah, this one is number 12. I also switched the fonts so that it would match, you know, the kit itself and everything. So yeah, that is Cabin Weekend. Alright, and then this one is Plans in the City. I actually had a hard time naming this one. I try to name things slightly different, but at the same time, it's just what I was calling it as I was making it. So yeah, this one is Plans in the City. And here's a flip through at the kit itself. Again, this one is the deluxe kit. So yeah, that is the 6-page deluxe kit for Plans in the City. Okay, and then we have Leaves and Pumpkins for number 10. This one is obviously a fall themed. I did say that I would be doing kind of like a seasonal option for these because I know that you won't be using these all at once, so I kind of wanted to give you guys an option to use them throughout the year. So we have Leaves and Pumpkins, and I actually like this kit. I almost brought this one out in the shop and I was like, no, I'm gonna have to wait to put it to the 12 days ones. I also updated the washi there and this washi down at the bottom if you haven't seen it, and here's a close-up look at the date headers. So yeah, that is Leaves and Pumpkins. And then here is Fig and Honey. I actually really love the colors in this kit, and also just a quick disclaimer, if you hear hammering or like a weird noise, it's the neighbors next door. They're almost done with their roof. They've been redoing their roof for the past like 3 weeks, but I haven't had time to film this video. Anyway, back to this. We have Fig and Honey, and this one, like I said, is one of my favorite kits just because of the colors and the rich, like vibrant purples. I also updated the washis on here, and then the checklists are also updated to like hexagons. I thought that was like a different touch to all of these. And then here is the washi sheet and the date headers. Next we have Apple Season, and this is actually one of the first kits I showed as a sneak peek because I was working on it. I was in like a fall mood also when I was working on this, but I think this is more of a transition kit for like September. At least I think so, like August, September. And let me flip through this one really quickly. I actually really like the rich colors in this. So yeah, this one is Apple Season. Alright, and then this one is Beach Summer. Like I said, I did do some seasonal kits that you can use throughout the year because why not? This one is more of a blue toned with a bit of corals. I actually added the red tone because of the watermelon, but it is more of a like coral in person. Let me quickly do a flip through at the rest of these pages. The checklists are stars for this one, and yeah, here's the other pages on here, and then lastly the date headers and the washi. Alright, so that one was Beach Summer. This one is Vacation House. I kind of just wanted something that like looks different, and actually like the colors in this one. So here's a flip through at these ones. Originally I wanted to make this one like a lemon kit, but I didn't want to use like too much yellow. Ended up being like a deep aqua and blue toned green kit. So yeah, this one is what this one looks like. I actually really liked this pattern and I wanted to incorporate it on these kits. So yeah, that's where I got most of the colors from. So yeah, that one is Vacation House. Okay, so I believe we're on number 5 for the countdown. This one is Light and Sage. Like I said, I was trying to do different color schemes for all of these kits, so I had to have like a kit you can use year round. So yeah, this one is light and sage, and here is what the rest of the kit looks like. I'm just gonna like flip through the rest of these pages so you guys can see what the rest of these are. I actually really like this color scheme. Like I said, it's light, and it has like green tones for the kit, but you can use it pretty much any time of the year. Okay, so the next kit we have is Spring Art. I kind of did something different with this one where the pattern in the paintings was part of the backgrounds for this. So in a way, it's like a mix of a photo kit and like watercolor pictures. And it has like mint and peachy tones plus some blue from these pictures. So let me flip through this one so you guys can see it. And yeah, this one is Spring Art. Okay, and then we have Berries and Brunch for number 3. I believe this is number 3. And it has like purple tones, blue tones for the blueberries, and spoiler alert, there is a blueberry one in the watercolor kits. I also wanted to make a blueberry kit for this one, which is why I brought it in here. But this one's Blueberries and Brunch. The other one is, I believe I called it Blueberry Picnic. I'm getting off topic here. You'll see the other one next time in the other video. But yeah, this is Berries and Brunch. Let me flip through this because I've been talking way too long. The hammering literally is making me lose my train of thought. But yeah, this one is the Berries and Brunch kit. And then this one is another food related one. I promise it's the last one for the food ones. And this one's macarons and roses. So we have I kind of went with a rainbow-ish theme for this one, so you guys can tell with the titles, they're all different. I normally try to keep them around the same color when I'm like packaging them. I know which one goes with this, which if I'm just kind of like going like this to them, and I'm reading them off. But yeah, this one is macarons and roses, and I really like the pastel color, so I had to do that with the rest of the kit. So I did try to do pastel tones on the entire kit for all of like the functional stickers. So there are I believe 6 colors in total that I pulled out from there, and they're kind of like mixed in between all of that. And then the bottom of this one is like cool tones for this one, but the full boxes has warmer tones for that. But I tried doing something different with the color scheme, and yeah, I pulled out 6 different colors for this one, and I actually like the way they all came together. But yeah, this one is macarons and roses, and I also switched the little washi strip on here, so it's like half and half, where you have like the warm tones and then it goes into the cool tones on there. All right, and then lastly we have number 1. This is the relaxing spa, or like a relaxing day at home, whatever you want to. And here's a flip through at the rest of this kit. I tried doing, like I said, more of a neutral tone, but I did pull in a few colors in there, so it had like some peachy tones from the florals and a green tone in there, plus that way it wouldn't be like all brown. So yeah, that one is the relaxing spa. Okay everyone, so that is it for the 12 days of photo kits. Here is all of them. Kind of so you guys can see them, and then the watercolor kit video will be uploaded soon, so just look out for that one. Subscribe so you guys can see when that one gets uploaded. And yeah, that is it for right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like all of these kits.